staying with us. Now, what impact will the CBI raids on tainted former telecom minister A. Raja have on DMK Congress ties ahead of the Tamil Nadu Assembly election? And which side will other potential allies swing? In an exclusive interview to our executive editor Sanjay Pinto in our new show, Corridors of Power, former Union Health Minister and PMK leader Dr. Anbumani Ramadoss says he has a soft corner for the Congress party, and what's more, Ramadoss Jr. also says his party is not averse to being in Vijayakant's company in the event of such a formation taking shape.
When I decided to snap ties with the DMK, were you the sole voice, the lone voice in the party advising them against snapping ties with the alliance?
That's all it's a collective decision. It's not.
I know you had also a democratic voting system. I remember covering that.
It was to do with the Congress basically, because Congress, we were part of the government for 5 years, and we had a very good understanding with the Congress. And in fact, Madam Sonia ji, she was very, very affectionate to all of us and all the other leaders. Especially Prime Minister was like,
father figure,
fatherly, and whatever from the Health Ministry we asked him, he gives in. And he knows how hardworking we were.
So which means your heart lies with the Congress, any alliance with the Congress?
Politics, a lot of water flows under the bridge time and again, and the situation.
Few months we'll have elections, you'll have to decide one way or the other. There was a time really when, I know at least the PMK used to say, whichever side the PMK aligns with, that side will win. But now
even today it is.
No, but now which side are you going to go to? Because
today I'm saying the same thing. Whichever side PMK is going to go.
But both the big Dravidian parties, the ADMK or the DMK, they're not really inviting you because now the PMK's critics say it's like a fence sitter.
No. On the contrary, now we are much sought of today, both by the ruling party and the opposition party and the national parties. Everybody wants PMK in. And it's like alliance arithmetic, and so that is something which
your vote share, particularly in northern Tamil Nadu, would benefit any alliance. One cannot deny that. But personally, which side are you in favour of joining? I know a few months ahead.
It's not just a question of vote share in northern Tamil Nadu. Our party is based now throughout Tamil Nadu, and it's just a comparison between Mr. Vijayakant's party. He says that he's got an 8.5% vote. 8.5% vote went to 234 constituencies. Whereas we stood in only 31 constituencies, and when you got 5.5% votes. If we stand in about 234 all the constituencies, I'm sure we'd get about 13-14% votes. So that's not the point.
Would you be along with an alliance along with Vijayakant?
In politics, anything can happen. So
okay, not averse to a tie-up?
Absolutely, there's no...
Because I know the PMK has been anti the film world. You all have campaigned against the influence of film stars.
See, unfortunately in Tamil Nadu, the political scenario, last 43 years, only personalities from the movie industry have become chief ministers.
Why is that? And
nowhere else in India you see that. That's the attitude of the Tamil people here. They are so taken by the movies, the dialogues, the fights, and today a youngster acts in 2 movies, and then the third he says that I'm the next chief minister. You have to work, you have to have policies, you have to have priorities.
Who are you referring to?
I'm just a general talk, anybody.
Unlike many other politicians, one thing that the media likes about Anbumani Ramadoss is that he's frank. You can ask him any question that you want, and he's frank, he speaks his mind, which is why I'm asking
Absolutely.
you. There was a time when many believed that there was a difference of opinion within the party, that Dr. Anbumani Ramadoss wanted to remain with the DMK, but the other leaders wanted to snap ties. Is that true? No one has ever asked you this openly before.
I again say that it was a collective decision. See, we have our views.
But personally, you were
individual views. We have our views.
Your personal view was to remain with Dr. Kalainiar, for whom?
No, see,
there's a lot of unbu, as you said.
That's why I said that it was issue of not DMK. It was issue of Congress.
Okay.
Since I was there for 5 years with the Congress government, I had shared a good relationship with them. It was the issue of Congress, and then it was the issue of Congress coming back to power, and that is what. And these were discussions, and then finally. And we had a democratic voting in a party, where out of 2,400 executive members, 2,200 voted to go with ADMK. So that's not a question
Regrets now?
It's not a question of individual. No, absolutely not.
No, you're still keeping that option also open.
Absolutely. Anyway, that's why I said it will go in a winning side, whichever side wins. It's the other way. Wherever PMK goes, it wins. So you can either way you can say So,
But you have a soft corner for the Congress alliance.
yes, there is a soft corner because those leaders have been
Okay. Have been good to you.
I was a nobody, and then the Prime Minister and Madam Sonia Gandhi. I mean, they all took me up, and then they nurtured me 5 years and prominence, and they gave me the freedom to do a lot for the country. I'm not.
And make sure you catch that full interview on Sunday at 9:30 p.m. on Corridors of Power.
They are so taken by the movies. There's an issue of not DMK.
Well, in some more news from the region, the Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI, has been conducting inquiries at the state-owned Jipma Hospital in Puducherry since this morning. The raids were linked to a tip-off that extensive corruption was going on in the purchase of equipment for the radiology, scan and X-ray departments. The head of the radiology section is believed to be questioned by the CBI officers, but more details are still awaited. Now, we've come across transgenders in railway stations and busy shopping zones, and occasionally they have appeared in films, but not only as the butt of all jokes. But now, Kollywood is turning politically correct and sporting the pink ribbon prominently. We are talking about Nartagi, an upcoming film with a transgender as the heroine. NDTV Hindu exclusively caught this crew at a shooting spot, and our reporter Lalit Jude tells you about this Pride March on celluloid.
Kalki is a heroine in real life, having had the courage to stand up by her convictions, and the transgender has taken another step forward by agreeing to play the lead role in Nartagi by director Vijay Padma. The activist says that the story of a transgender's journey and search for true love was irresistible, as well as the medium.
When it comes to the transgender rights, I believe that doing a film, a feature film, could take our message to the larger audiences, and it could reach a lot of people.
Kalki, we hear, is a natural in front of the camera, so much so that the crew could can the shots without too many retakes. Vivin, who plays the love interest of Kalki in Nartagi, says working with her has been an eye-opener.
அதாவது எனக்கு அவங்க போட்டியாக அவங்களுக்கு நான் போட்டியாக நடிக்கும்போது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. இருந்தாலும் அவங்களுக்குன்னு உண்டான ஒரு உணர்வுகள் நம்ம மாதிரியே ரொம்ப இதாக இருக்குது. நான் வளர போகிற நடிகன், நான் சொல்கிறேன்னு பெருசாக எதுவும் நினச்சிக்க வேண்டாம். அவங்களுக்குன்னு உண்டான ஒரு மரியாதை சமுதாயத்தில் நம்ம கொடுத்தே ஆகணும். எல்லாம் கொடுத்துட்ருக்காங்க, நிறைய எக்ஸ்போஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு அவங்கள பற்றி.
In case you're wondering if Nartagi will be an art film, its director Vijay Padma assures us that it will have all the elements of a commercial entertainer.
This is not a parallel cinema. This is a commercial, fully entertainment one for all family to see this movie.
2 years after Tamil Nadu became the first state in the country to recognize transgenders and issue ration cards to them under the gender T, Kollywood has joined the Pride March. Produced by Geeta of SG Films, Nartagi will hit the theatres in February next year. In Chennai with Lalit Jude, Divya Kumar for NDTV Hindu.
Well, quite some bold attempt there by the entire cast and crew of Nartagi. Well, still ahead, catch an exclusive interview with Sunny Gavaskar where he talks about the Kiwi squash cooked up by the men in blue this evening.